Today we are unboxing the MacBook Neo again, and this time we have the star Mrs. Silver. I did already unbox the MacBook Neo in blush, which you can check out here. I freaking love that computer, but sadly she had to be returned. There's a couple reasons for that. Number one, I got the cheapest model because I wanted to test it out for the video, but I would definitely need the 512GB. And secondly, I just could not justify keeping it because I do have a very expensive MacBook Pro that I knew I would still keep using. Plus I want to use that money to get a new camera. So with all those factors combined, I had to send her back to Apple Park. But I literally think about her every single day. Like, I miss that computer so much. I feel like there will be one day where all the stars align and we do reunite. But today we have her sister, Silver. So you might be wondering, why do I have another Neo even though I sent the blush one back? This is my husband's Neo, and guys, I have an Android husband. He uses a Google Pixel, and when we met, he did not like Apple at all. But now he's coming around. He's been looking for a really good laptop to do work and do writing because he likes to write, and I think this is the start of his Apple transition. Hopefully he didn't hear me say that in the other room. I guess let's go ahead and actually... Dolce is trolling. Let's go ahead and open this one up. This is the 512GB model with the fingerprint sensor, so she's bougie. Dolce, why are we doing this? And here she is, the gorgeous Silver Neo. Let's take her out and see what she's all about.
And
Wait, this silver is actually so cute. This is such a classic Apple silver, and inside the box we have this instruction manual as well as a charger, which is basically the same as what you get with your iPhone, but I'm putting those back nicely so that he can unbox them too. And now let's have her first breaths. There's the iconic Apple hello, and of course we have to get our content first. Then I let my husband experience setting up his first MacBook. How's it going?
good.
Are you setting up your person?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's clean.
What's your first impressions? Not the sweat on the...
Yeah, it's like the light and then the sun.
I
It's
know,
like
it gets
hot in
hot.
here.
Do you like the color?
I do. I love the color. It's very classic.
Is it better than the blush?
Yeah, it's better than the blush.
Then the dogs decided to join us and cause absolute chaos.
Oh,
I'm getting annoyed from these dogs. Get...
Ooh, I'm in, babe. Whoa.
Ooh, I love the purple. Get out. Now let's do kind of like a recap, a little parent-teacher conference moment. Now that it's been about a month since these have come out, let's just go ahead and set her there. I'll just say in like a sentence, the MacBook Neo is really good, especially for the price. If you didn't tell me that this was a budget laptop, I honestly wouldn't even feel like it is. This is really good for students or people who want to write. It'll do pretty much anything you want out of a modern laptop, and it does it really well. Like, it is just so snappy feeling. It is really just so much better than a lot of the laptops that are this price. I'm sorry, Apple is premium. I'm like such an Apple sheep. $600 or $700 is such a steal, especially if you use the education website to get $100 off. Plus I saw people trading in their older Apple products and getting even more money off. Even though it's a budget computer, I've been seeing so many people just get it because it's a nice laptop. I even saw this week that Kylie Jenner posted the Citrus MacBook Neo, so you know it's good if Kylie Jenner's using it. The silver is so gorgeous. My favorite part about it is actually the white keyboard. I just think it's such a throwback to classic MacBooks. I just wish that Apple would integrate this keyboard on the MacBook Air, because honestly, the black keyboard should stay on the MacBook Pros. That's really where it belongs. Okay guys, so it's been about, I would say, a week. We're gonna do a little bit of a Neo tour. He got a clear case. If you hear jingling, Mochi is playing with her toys. I can't be bothered to grab her, so... Here's what it looks like, and this was my recommendation because I was like, we cannot put stickers directly on the MacBook, like that is a sin. He got this nice clear case, and it does cover the back too, as you could see. And then here is his sticker tour. These are Gundam stickers. We kind of like designed it to where the Apple logo was still showing in the middle. And then when you actually go into the MacBook, here's how he set it up. He basically used a lot of the widgets on his desktop. So first he did a shortcuts widget. Under that he has his notes widget. Then on the other side he has his reminders, and guys, I don't even use reminders, like he's already out Appling me. And then he has the calendar and the weather app. And then if you look closely, the anime guy's like pinching the game that he likes to play, which is Slay the Spire 2, which I thought was very creative of him to do. We tinted his app icons to be kind of like a reddish mauve color to match the background that he has. And we did some other customizations, like he turned on the magnification of the dock, and he mainly uses it in dark mode. It was so fun to kind of show him like the Apple basics. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I knew more about setting up a brand new Mac for the first time, but I realized like I'm so used to being like deep in the Apple ecosystem that even I was learning some things as I was showing him how to do stuff. It was just such a fresh experience to like welcome someone into an Apple product. So far he's already been loving it. I could tell like when we set it up that night that we got it, he was so impressed by so many of the Apple features, and I was like, I freaking told you, like I knew you would love this. And he has been playing on it every single day, using it for work, taking notes. He's been planning a trip to Japan because we want to go in a couple of years, and he just like sits in the bed and like types away on it. It is just so honestly cute. It just goes to show like even if you've never used an Apple product before, you might still love the MacBook Neo. I think it's like the perfect entry Apple product. When I told him that the Neo came out and he was excited about it, I was like, why are you interested in this one? Like, what is the appeal? He was just so excited that it was like, you can get a MacBook for a good price and it's actually like good quality. And I think that's the reason why Apple came out with these, because they were like, how can we get more people to convert to Apple? Good job, Tim Cook. That was very savvy of you. As if Tim Cook is watching this. Guys, is Mochi distracting? Let me get her. This little thing has been causing so much chaos in this house. I've been calling her Banana because, I mean, is this not a little banana? This is a very unserious unboxing. As I said in the beginning, if you want to see like more in depth of the tests and everything, go watch my blush unboxing. This one is really just to kind of show you the color and also offer a new perspective because it's someone getting it that isn't an Apple fanatic like me. So yeah, that was Mrs. Silver. I do think she's really cute, but I still like the blush. I'm jealous, so yeah. But that will be all for this video. I hope you guys liked watching it, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!